Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about BitTorrent price prediction and BitTorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for BitTorrent in 2022. BitTorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. BitTorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, BitTorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC10 standard. According to official documents, BitTorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original BitTorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed BitTorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content. Here's why BitTorrent is perfectly positioned to become a peer-to-peer, P2P, market leader. The global content distribution ecosystem has transformed quite radically over the past decade, especially with problems relating to illegal data sharing and consumer privacy, gaining more and more mainstream traction in recent times. To this point, there has been a massive unearthing of evidence that clearly shows most mainstream tech giants have continued to indulge in nefarious data sharing methodologies time and again. To put things into perspective numerically, just earlier this year in January, France's Data Protection Authority, CNIL, slapped a $165 million and $65 million fine on Google and Facebook, now Meta, respectively, for violating the country's digital legislation, especially those rules pertaining to the collection and utilization of cookies. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, because a couple of years ago, Facebook was once again ordered to pay a total of $550 million for violating Illinois' Biometric Information Privacy Act. While video-focused social networking platform TikTok had to shell out a cool $92 million in relation to a class action lawsuit that alleged the platform been collecting and sharing personal data from its users, and sharing it illegally with third parties with any sort of consent. BitTorrent is changing today's content distribution landscape. The rise of blockchain technology has resulted in more and more people quickly realizing that their personal data no longer has to remain at the mercy of traditional tech entities. Instead, thanks to the use of decentralized ledgers, it is possible for data to be shared in a manner that is not only decentralized, but also safe and transparent. In this regard, BitTorrent is a blockchain-based data sharing ecosystem that is localized in its governance structure, such that no one individual entity has control over the platform. From a technical standpoint, while most blockchain ecosystems today suffer issues like high gas fees, poor transaction throughput capacities, high migration costs, lack of interchain interoperability, and low horizontal-vertical scalability, BitTorrent bypasses all of these issues, thanks to its future-ready infrastructure. Numbers-wise, the platform offers extremely high network relay speeds of 7,000 transactions per second, TPS, a figure that is extremely lofty when compared with those of rival mainstream projects such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain that offer rates of 30, 1,000, 250, 4,500, 15 transactions per second respectively. Additionally, while it is extremely difficult to transfer smart contracts algorithms that are designed to execute when certain predetermined conditions are met from one blockchain to another typically, BitTorrent allows for a one-click migration of its contracts, thus allowing for a high degree of platform interoperability. In this vein, it should also be noted that the ecosystem features seamless cross-chain compatibility with Ethereum, Tron and BSC, while offering extremely low gas fees 1 cent and quick finality ×3s. A closer look at BitTorrent's technical capabilities. In addition to all of its aforementioned advantages, the ecosystem also comes replete with a standout feature referred to as the BitTorrent File System, BTFS, which as the name suggests, is a next-generation decentralized storage system, designed primarily for Web 3.0 applications. To elaborate, BTFS provides clients with a highly reliable decentralized storage service thanks to its reconstructed smart contract framework, which has been built atop BTTC, ETH, Tron. The platform is highly scalable while also offering low usage costs and high security. Lastly, BitTorrent's conviction towards continued blockchain innovation is bolstered by the fact that the platform recently made its foray into the non-fungible token, NFT, sector. In this regard, the project is going to underlie a new NFT marketplace operating on the Tron and Ethereum chains called AP-NFT. It is being reported that BitTorrent will be providing its file system services to register the marketplace's NFTs securely. Well, now we will move smoothly to forecasts for the near future and beyond. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid rise in prices, and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is BitTorrent, BTT, a good investment? How much will BitTorrent cost in 2025, or how much will BitTorrent cost in 10 years? BTT Price Prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for BTT will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will get much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $0.003 and a minimum bid of $0.003. The maximum bet is expected to be around $0.004. BTT Price Prediction 2023. For a long-term forecast of the BitTorrent price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of BTT will rise to around $0.005 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.006 with a minimum price $0.005 level. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2024 and 2024. With wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of BitTorrent will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.008 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.007 with a maximum price of $0.008 for 2024. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2025. It looks like by 2025, BitTorrent, BTT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $0.010. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that BitTorrent's maximum price could reach up to $0.012 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2026. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. BitTorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. BitTorrent Rate Prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in BitTorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. BitTorrent Price Prediction 2028. The current BitTorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028.